Good morning, family and friends. I hope all of you are doing well this morning. Welcome to Faith Shilaho YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share. Today, family and friends, I'm going to show you my morning routine with my son before he goes to school. So stay with me and stay blessed.
Why?
finished cooking the rice. It is ready, and now I'm going to pack it for lunch. I'm done with packing lunch and snacks for my son, and it is time for me to make him tea so that he can have it when he wakes up before he goes to school. The breakfast is ready, and I'm just going to wake up my son so that he can continue taking his breakfast as I clean his shoes, as I brush his shoes. I'm done with brushing the shoes, and it is time to select uniforms. So I'm just going to select the boxers, the socks, the inner t-shirt, because he's not going to use the vest because it is too cold out there. It is almost 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and he needs to be in school at 5:50. So you know it is so cold. He needs to wear very heavy. That's why he's going to wear a t-shirt under the shirt uniform, and he's going to wear the school sweater, the school blazer. So he's going to wear all these clothes to school today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You can also connect with me on my TikTok account as Faith Shilaho, on my Instagram page as Faith Shilaho, and on Facebook page as Faith Shilaho. Be blessed. See you in my next video.